Hey there, my name is Ms. Guy, and I will be teaching you this summer in ACA 122. In case you're wondering, ACA is the kind of class that is designed to help you learn about Nash Community College and the resources that we have here. It's also designed to help you learn about yourself and how you learn best. We also explore topics that are going to make you successful in college, such as time management, study skills, different sorts of memorization processes, all the things that you need in order to be successful in college. So immediately, if you're thinking, I don't need this, I can do this by myself, I don't need any help, well, okay, that's a fair statement. But the class is required at Nash Community College. So if you feel like this is not a class that you're going to need because you already have everything together, that's okay. Show me that. Prove to me that you have your time management down to a T and that you can make an A in this course. So for starters, let me go on and say that summer semester is a little bit different than the regular semester. It's half the time, so it's twice the work. So I will tell you that in order to be successful in summer school, you have to have time management skills. You have to work ahead. You cannot get behind if you want to be successful and make great grades in summer school. So I've already sent you an email with some information. Hopefully you're accessing this video via the email instead of waiting until the first day of class. But it's okay if you are. It's just, let's make sure that we check our Nash Community College email at least once every 24 hours, especially for ACA. You have to have your email account up and active in order to access documents in this class. So keep that in mind as you get started to work. So for this class, we will have a Monday deadline all semester long. I would never suggest waiting until Monday to get work done. The reason why I chose Monday is because it's the day after the weekend. So hopefully if you're busy during the week that you take the weekend to get your work done. And then when you have questions, we have an opportunity to communicate back and forth and get your questions answered before the actual deadline rolls around. So everything is due on Monday nights, no later than 11:55 p.m. I do understand that it is the summer semester, and so I am offering this summer a 24-hour grace period with no penalty. So if something comes up, you can't get something done by Monday night, that's okay. I'll give you a 24-hour no penalty grace period. After that grace period is over, we will roll into our late work policy that's located in the syllabus, and that does allow for you to still turn some items in, but it is a penalty applied to those items. So make sure you read over that policy in the syllabus. All right, so for starters, let me show you what you will see when you get into our class on Wednesday. This is our Moodle page, and you'll see the syllabus, due dates, a grading breakdown, and an explanation of how to access the gradebook and look at your feedback. So the first thing you need to do on Wednesday is click on this section, Enrollment Verification Activity, and you will complete the enrollment verification activity by clicking on this link. Now, I'm not going to click on the link because mine doesn't look the same as yours, but you will click on this link. It'll be a short little question answer type thing. Did you read the syllabus? And then it's going to launch you into a orientation. This is going to walk you through sort of how to use Moodle. When you are finished with that orientation, you will be completely finished with the enrollment verification activity as well. And you will put the certificate that orientation produces for you in this link. So I know that sounds like a lot, but once you get clicking, you'll be fine. If you have taken classes at Nash this past spring semester, you do not have to do this orientation again. You can simply click click through and find your orientation certificate to upload. So the enrollment verification activity, just to review, is a few questions. You just answer them, and then the orientation will open up for you at the end of that activity. You'll complete that and submit the certificate there. I promise you it's not as confusing as it looks right now on the screen. Okay, and then you can access from there just some resource and material. Those are just some things that you can read over if you're interested. And then you will get started in session 1. So session 1 is due next Monday, May the 30th. Now, I do understand that that is Memorial Day. And classes are technically not in session because the college is closed. However, remember that 24-hour grace period. So if you can't get it done by Monday, it'll be okay if you get it done a little bit later. You will get started in session 1. I would recommend you get started in session 1 as soon as possible. There is a directions video there for you to watch. That would be me giving you tips and tricks on how to make sure that you get session 1 done at full credit. And each session will have 2 activities. Now remember, starting next week, the following Monday, you will have 2 sessions due each week. So this first deadline, I've only included 1 session, so session 1, and then from that point forward, you will have 2 sessions due each week of the summer semester. And what I would recommend you do, and I will show you here, find this document, the due dates for this online course, get this document and print it out, or either start recording these deadline dates in a calendar somewhere. So this is our whole semester located here. So you'll see the due dates and what session numbers are due on those due dates. So I hope that that document is helpful for you. So I do want to remind you that my job is to be here for you and to help you and to answer your questions and to guide you through this semester. If you have a question about anything, it can be class related or Nash Community College related, please email me as soon as you start to question. I can only help you with class related items early. So if you wait too late past a deadline to ask questions about an assignment, I really can't help you that well because the deadline's already passed. So ask me early. I'm here. I'm always checking email. It doesn't matter what time of the day you send an email. I will access it and check it as quickly as possible within that 24-hour response time requirement. If you have any other additional questions or you're confused, we can always meet via video if you're not on campus this summer. I just want you to know that I'm here and I'm here to help you. And so reach out to me, and I hope that you have a fantastic summer semester.